Hey everyone, welcome to day 27. Today is the 29th of March and we are focusing on container orchestration today. So what is container orchestration? Well, basically, let's imagine you run when you run a container using Docker run, it launches a single instance of your application on a single machine. But what if your application becomes very popular and a lot of people want to use it and you have to scale it up? Well, obviously running Docker run over and over isn't very practical, right? But luckily we have Docker orchestration to help us with that. So container orchestration or Docker orchestration, I'm just going to go with container for now. Container orchestration is a solution that automates deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications across multiple hosts, and pretty much ensures like high availability and handles failures automatically without you needing to always be looking over everything. And yeah, those are the benefits, right? And then we have some popular ones here. Some examples, such as Docker Swarm. It's very simple to set up and manage, and it deploys very quickly with pretty good scaling. And next we got Kubernetes. This one is the important one that I will be talking about later. But this one has extensive customization and multi-cloud support, and it's a complex, large-scale production environment. So for bigger companies, they will use Kubernetes. This one's not too popular compared to the Kubernetes. But for now, we'll focus on Docker Swarm, and we'll look at Kubernetes another day because this one is something that I want to focus on more later, like actually dive very deep into it. So what is Docker Swarm? Well, pretty much it's an orchestration tool, right? And it lets you turn multiple Docker hosts into a single cluster. We have something called the manager node. It orchestrates distribution. It distributes application instances across the worker nodes, which ensures high availability and load balancing. And worker nodes pretty much execute tasks assigned by the manager. And yeah, to set up Docker Swarm, you need multiple Docker installed hosts, and one host is designated as the manager, or also known as master or swarm manager, and other hosts are designated as worker nodes. So to create a swarm, you start by initializing it on the manager node using this command here, Docker Swarm initialize, and advertise add r and then manager IP. And an example output of running that with an random IP will be something like this. So as you can see, it will say to add a worker, run the following command, and then you just follow along. So this command will set it up the cluster for you and provide a token for worker nodes to join. And then once you have worker nodes, they can be added using the token provided in the output. And next, last section is deploying services in Docker Swarm. So instead of manually running Docker run to deploy an application instances on each worker node, we use Docker services to scale applications automatically. For example, to deploy free replicas of a web server, we run Docker service create, and then with the parameter replicas equals free, and we can put a port on it, expose the port, and then network front end, and then the name of the web server. And all this will ensure that the application is distributed across multiple nodes. And yeah, so as I talked about Kubernetes, this is something that's very important for DevOps because a lot of companies will use this as the most popular one, and there's definitely a lot on what it can do and a lot of materials on it. So I might take a look at it tonight and tomorrow. Just probably the most basics, because I kind of want to first of all, I'm not sure how much, because I don't want to go deep into every single topic. I kind of want to know the basics of everything first so that I can connect them together and know how they all function and how they all aid each other. So for now, Docker, I'm not sure what else I should learn. So if you have any recommendations on what else I should look into, you can comment down below. But I think as following the course, it's pretty much near the end for the basics, and so I'm not sure if I should move on to Kubernetes basics or if I should dive a little bit deeper into Docker before moving on. but I'll definitely take a look at Kubernetes tonight and see if I should start doing that tomorrow. But yeah, for now, thanks for watching. See you guys tomorrow.